I need water! No!
On June 28, 2022, airport officers were called in response to an aircraft due to a disruptive passenger.
All the way in the back. You can show my feet. They're trying to allow her to come off willingly. If she will not, she's refusing to come off, we'll go deal with her. Okay, do you guys mind deboarding the entire plane so that we do not have to deal with her with an entire plane of people?
Can we ask if she would come off nicely first?
Yeah.
If she doesn't, then we'll be with.
Yeah. 29 Delta. Excuse me.
Hello.
Hi.
What's your name?
My name's Officer Smith. I'm with Nashville Airport Police. They're saying that they want you off of their aircraft.
Why is that?
I don't know. They just said that you were refusing to get off their aircraft after they asked you to get off.
Right, they didn't give me a reason why I needed to get off. They told me that they were going to talk to me outside, as if they didn't inform me why they were going to, hold on, let me catch my breath. I'm like, I don't understand why there's so many people, like, on top of me.
Okay,
like,
have you had anything to drink today?
No, I keep asking for water. They didn't give me water. They told me that the plane was delayed. I just want water.
Okay, have you had any alcohol today?
No, I'm on a sabbatical.
Okay. Okay, so do you mind stepping off the aircraft and they can talk? My name is Officer Smith, yes.
I'm sorry. You see, I think it's important that people call you by your first name.
You can call me by my first name, that's fine.
Thank you.
Do you mind stepping off the aircraft? We can figure out what's going on.
Let me know. I'm going home, so I need to know why I'm getting off the plane.
So they're a private company. They're allowed to refuse you service on their aircraft. So
anytime a private company, like a business?
Yes, they're a business, so they're allowed to refuse you service.
Like capitalism?
Okay. So if you do not get off the plane, we are going to deboard the entire plane, and we will pull you off of the plane.
You're going to pull the... I have to set my intention, and I have to breathe. Stay calm. Stay calm.
So...
Stay calm.
I don't know what's going on. Like I said, they didn't tell me what the problem is. So if you will get up and just walk off, then we can deal with it.
Okay, what is the reason why I'm getting off the plane?
They're a private company and they're allowed to deny you service on their airline.
Okay, can I get the reason why they are denying you service?
They don't have to have a reason.
So they can just throw me off?
Yeah, pretty much.
Are you serious?
Yep. They're a private company. They're a private company.
Any private company can do that?
Yep.
So breathe. I'm getting like, can I have some water? I thought you guys were gonna bring me some water.
No.
Okay.
So
I'll wait here for the water. I'll just keep coloring.
Ma'am, you need to stand up and get off the plane, or every single person's going to get off of this plane. And we will deal with you.
You're gonna deal with me if I don't get off the plane?
Yeah.
You're gonna deal with me? What does that mean? Like you're gonna kill me? You're gonna like deport me? Like my family is from Portugal? Like that's not okay.
I have no reason
I'm a U.S. citizen. And I'm white, or maybe I'm black. I don't know. But this is just a tattoo. See, I am human too.
Okay.
Mic drop.
Okay.
I'm gonna be the first female.
Can we deboard the plane, please? Walk off. I'm not doing this with a plane full of people.
Again, I'm your captain here. Obviously, you can tell we have a master.
I'm not doing this with a plane full of people.
Quiet manner.
Instead of keep all the way off, go in the back.
But the only option we have coming before us, if we can get the lady to help us move on, is for the whole plane to deplane.
Oh, no way.
Get out. So
This is my fourth rescheduled flight. Please don't do this. Get out. I was supposed to go home on Sunday.
I'll just take care of this straight forward.
The water? You're telling me not to have water.
Go ahead.
5 still shows door unlocked. May I re-secure it, or do you still need it open? Control when appears she's waiting.
There's no reason. Nobody told me. I'm getting off.
Hey, starting from the front, start walking off the aircraft.
We need water.
19, do you just want to have her sit back down?
Okay, we need to get everybody off. We're going to get the seatbelt signs off now. Everybody, please, be playing in an orderly fashion. Okay, please, I think it's overhead bins.
You got to get off?
Yeah.
Our bags.
Go ahead. Go ahead.
Stay by just a second here. Hold on.
Let's go. Just go off and we'll talk, okay? What's your name? Just step off and we'll just talk about it, okay?
Why are we stepping off?
Because they don't want you on this aircraft.
They don't want me on this aircraft.
Yeah.
Why?
Let's just talk
Because
about
I'm
it.
tall, because I'm white, because I'm black.
Let's go talk about it.
I am human too.
Let's just go talk about
Mic
it.
drop.
Let's just
I
talk
need
about
Barack Obama.
Come on.
Tony Robbins.
Hey, I'm being quiet with you. Just get off.
This flight is important.
Let's just get off there.
Everyone on this plane, remember, I will be the first U.S. female president in the United States of the Kazakhstan. Ian, remember this.
Let's just go talk about it there.
I'm sorry. Can you call somebody? Can I make a phone call?
Yeah, we can get my supervisor down here and all that.
I need to talk to I need to talk to my husband, please.
You're alright. We can go and talk to him, okay? Come on.
Control, he's here on camera.
Come on.
I'm so scared.
You're alright.
Can I have some water?
I'm here with you, okay?
Control, I am 10-4. Pressed it on accident.
Breathe.
Come on. Here, let's go outside. We'll get you some water.
That's the key.
Let's get you outside and we'll get you some water.
Can you help me?
I'll help you.
I want to get home to Australia. I've got peace.
I'll help you, okay?
I love Australia. Okay,
I'll help you.
I can't wait to go back. I want to go back this year.
Let's go this way.
I'd love to get home. My name is Gary.
Katie, come down here. She's acting more erratically at the
Gary
moment.
is the key. I want to live there.
Alright, come on.
Control, she's off the aircraft.
Be underway as soon as we can get everybody seated and thank you.
Okay, do you want her 10:15 or what's going on? Here, come over here. Let's have a conversation.
She is off the aircraft.
Here, we'll get you a water.
Okay. Can I have water?
Yeah. They're gonna get you a water, so just come sit down and we'll
I
talk.
think it's easier when we're walking. Can we walk and talk?
No, let's have a sit. Let's have a seat.
Okay, can I talk to my
Alright,
husband, please?
stop.
Why am I stopping?
Put your hands behind your back.
Why are you arresting me? Are you serious?
Let's right here. No! You're gonna get tased. Get on the fucking ground right now.
Why? I want to call my husband! Oh my God!
Get the other car.
Give me your arm now.
They have her in control.
All right.
1911,
We're 10-4, we were 10-15. Lock your cuffs out when I do it.
Jesus Christ.
I can get a phone call.
Sit down.
Okay. I'm sorry. I'm not gonna. I'm sorry. I just wanted to talk to my husband and I asked for water.
Close your dress. Let me close your dress.
Sorry, it's hot.
Farmer, let her stand up.
I just want water. Can I stand up?
Yeah.
I can get up by myself.
1, 2, 3.
Stand up. Okay. We're going to close your dress.
Is that a camera?
Yes.
That's cool. Where does it go?
I don't understand your question.
Like, who watches it?
My department.
The Department of the Airports?
Yep.
And the TSA of the United
Not
States?
TSA. No.
You're not the TSA? You're the
No.
police?
Okay, so we're going to walk downstairs. We're going to go to one of our patrol cars.
Okay, I just have to breathe. Can I have water first, please?
No.
You're not going to give me water?
No, ma'am. Not after the scene you just caused. We can have water later.
What did I do?
You just threw yourself on the ground.
I sat down.
You did not sit down. You undid your
That's
dress.
bullshit.
You exposed yourself to everyone in the airport.
It's hot,
You're
and I
going
asked
to
for
jail.
water.
You're being arrested.
Okay. I'm not going to fight you. Promise.
Well, you already did a little bit.
Sorry. Jeff? Can I just call you Jeff?
Yeah, what's your name?
Sarah.
Okay, Sarah. Let's try to calm down, okay?
Can I have some water? I have a bottle. I just need to fill it up. I just want water.
Hold that door.
Water!
You guys are heading back towards. Go down the ramp now.
I want water! Give me water! I need water! No!
Come on.
You'll get water later. Let's go. You're not gonna give me water? You're kidding me? Let's go!
Walk down the stairs now. Walk down the stairs.
I just want water. My mouth is so dry.
Will you get that?
I did see those take off, but that's legal, right? Maybe like a couple hours ago, right before I walked to the terminal. Right before. Attention.
I'll search you. No.
I'm just dehydrated. It's hot and I need water. And you won't give me any water.
I'll get this straight, but you need to cooperate.
I'll cooperate when I get water.
No, you're going to cooperate, and then we'll get you water.
Stand in front of the car.
No, it doesn't make any sense.
That's what's going to happen.
I want water. I'm not hiding anything.
Spread your legs. No, we haven't even gotten one. Turn around. Okay. Walk this way.
Yes. Yes.
What's your first name?
Sergeant.
Thank you, Sergeant. I'm tall.
You are tall.
Go to the other side.
Can I get some water?
You'll get water.
I know, but my mouth is so dry, it's hard to talk.
Okay, you'll get water. If you stop talking, your mouth might not be so dry.
Okay, I'll shut up. I can be quiet.
We're getting you water.
You look good.
So did you only take Delta-8 or did you take something else?
No,
And you haven't had any alcohol today?
correct. I'm on sabbatical since May 5th, 2022. I'm on sabbatical, so I'm not drinking.
Okay.
Can I call my husband?
You can call your husband at booking.
At where?
At booking?
Is that when we get there?
Yes. Probably not. Definitely not.
What's your
Well, they're not made to be comfortable.
Yeah, I can see that though. This is definitely my first time getting arrested. Check that off the bucket list.
So, I can't take your cuffs off, but yeah. Yeah. I just don't want you to pour it all over yourself on accident.
You ever feel like you're living in a dream? That's what I feel like right now.
You didn't get arrested for asking for water. For screaming in the middle of the airport, taking your dress off, and resisting arrest. You were screaming. Okay, what's a good phone number for you? Hoffman, come here. What do you do for work?
You mean like...
Get in the car and learn something. What do you do for work? Like, what do you do for work? What's your job?
I don't have that.
Okay. Okay, Sarah, what do you need to come with you?
Can I have water first?
You can have water once you get inside.
Okay. What did you say?
You can take one bag with you.
Okay, just one out of the 3?
Yes.
Okay, can you unlock me from here? Or you want me to tell you which one?
I need you to tell me which one.
Let me think. Let me see. So we have... I'm trying to remember what I have in the car. I'm sorry. It's so hard to remember when you don't have water.
I'm going to assume it's probably the blue bag.
Yes, Louis. Yes.
Okay. Go to the other side and unbuckle her seatbelt.
I like your watch, although I'm not an Apple user. I think that they're like the dark side.
I see.
Android is better.
Okay.
Hi.
So, I'll have you step out for me, Sarah.
Okay. It's going to take a minute because I'm tall.
I know you're tall. Yeah, grab her blue
I need some
backpack.
water.
You'll get water inside.
Okay. Hold on. I feel like I'm like moving slow. Like I'm fatigued, like emotionally exhausted. You know that I do research on burnout?
Yeah, you said that.
Oh, I did?
Mm-hmm.
Nice. Yeah, I want to end burnout and I want to end mental illness and I want to have world peace.
Okay.
And I want a Nobel Peace Prize.
We're going to walk to that door over there. Come on.
I was saying hi.
I'm sure you guys will get some time to talk.
Who?
You two.
Can I?
Come on. You can fix it inside. No.
It's hard to walk with this thing on.
We're almost there.
Okay.
We're just going to that door right there.
Sorry, my hair's in my mouth. Can you take it out? I feel my mouth. My mouth is so dry. Thank you. I appreciate you. I will be eternally grateful for you. It's Kay Smith.
Yep. Yeah. You can sit down if you want. They'll be in here in just a minute and then you can get some water, okay?
What does this mean?
It's just saying that they might pepper spray you if you do something wrong.
So I should like follow the rules.
Yes.
And you want me to sit down?
You
I
can.
have contact lenses, okay?
Okay, so you just need to tell the medical staff if you want to take them out.
Okay.
Okay, so I've got some questions. They're yes or no's.
Okay.
Are you sick, injured, or suicidal?
No.
Do you have a pacemaker or medical device implant?
Negative.
Chemotherapy or radiation in the last 30 days?
No.
Any chance that you're pregnant at this time?
Negative.
Do you have any drugs or contraband on you that you would need if you're arrested?
The woman was charged with disorderly conduct and resisting arrest. Share your thoughts below, and remember to like and subscribe for more videos.